Few vegetables speak more to Louisiana's heritage than okra. And I'm here with Clark Robertson, Horticulture Extension Agent for Livingston Parish, to talk a little bit more about it. So Clark, what's like one of the main benefits of growing okra in the summer in Louisiana?
The main benefit to okra in the summertime is that it is very tolerant of a hot summer. So it does well from June all the way up until frost.
Okay, so like would you plant multiple crops or is that just one planting?
No, you can definitely plant multiple crops. Usually we like to see plantings done around April, May when the soil temperatures are warm, and then you can do plantings throughout the summer.
And they'll basically go till frost, right?
They will.
Okay.
I've had them go up until freeze.
Man. So what about disease pressure or any pests that are common on okra?
Very few issues with disease or insects on okra. It does well, and it's a very easy crop to grow.
So not a lot of spraying or chemical use or anything?
You don't have to spray, nothing like you would for tomatoes.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So what about fertilizer? Does it require a lot?
Very little fertilizer. In fact, too much nitrogen will cause it to do more vegetative growth and less fruit production.
Ah, okay, that's a good point. So when it comes to the business end here, so actually harvesting the pods, what can you tell us a little bit about that?
So the thing to do with okra is harvest early and harvest often.
Okay.
You don't want your pods to get too long. So if we look here, this pod would be approaching the point where it's getting too tough.
Oh,
this
really?
One would be
Okay.
past time to harvest, and then these would probably be ready tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Okay, so and you can just kind of like squeeze and also tell how tough they are?
You can feel the okra pods, and you can tell if it's not giving, then it's getting too tough.
Okay, and best just to harvest it with like a knife or a pair of clippers?
Harvest with a knife or a good pair of clippers, and then do it on a daily basis, because it may be ready tomorrow, and then the next day it's going to be too long.
All right, that's a good tip.
Yeah.
All right, well look, Clark, thanks for telling us so much about this. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with Clark Robertson for the LSU Ag Center.